All right. So let us all welcome our birthday celebrant, Mommy Gay. Palakpakan niyo na welcome to Mommy Gay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, surprise. Happy birthday to you. Alright, everyone, kapag naman yung mag-iyaman ka. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Once again, palakpakan naman natin si Mommy Gay ang ating birthday celebrant. Welcome to Shakey's Mommy Gay. Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Alright, let's give a round of applause for our birthday celebrant, Mommy Gay. Ayan. Happy birthday, Mom. Welcome, our Shakey's Giant Pizza. Palakpakan niyo naman po ang ating Shakey's Giant Pizza. Yan. Alright, so our Shakey's Giant Pizza is our 43 inches diameter pizza, and it comes with our 4 bestseller flavors: Shakey's Special, Manager's Choice, Hawaiian Delight, and Pepper.
Celebrate not just your birthday, but the love, wisdom, and kindness you share with everyone around you. You are the heart of our family. Thank you for every sacrifice, every lesson, every warm hugs. You are more than just my mother. You are my greatest blessing and my forever home. May this day bring you as much joy as you've given to all of us through your life, or throughout your life. I love you beyond words, and I'm so grateful to be your son. Happy birthday, Mom. I love you.
Hi, thank you very much. Magagal na surprise ako.
Okay, good. I love you.
I love you too. Thank you. Love you more. Masaya kami. Thank you. Busog na kami.
Alright, thank you so much, Sir Harold.
Balik na sa klase.
Thank you so much.
Okay, bye-bye. Balik na sa klase yun.
Kanina ka tinatawag.
Audio. Yan.
Ay, na pala siya.
Dapat sa
Uy, sumama ka na!
Ganun ba yun?
Ano? Hobby Mountog.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Alright, Mommy Gay, I want you to make a wish. And then the count of 3, blow your candle. Blow.
Tapos sabi, happy birthday.
Picturean niyo muna bago niyo pinaiyak. Lipstick. Lipstick.
Kahapon pala sa punuhan. Sige po, one shot na po.
Representative ni Tata Berneng. Tsaka representative po ng mga walang kapatid. Mga Happy birthday sa amin mo. Happy birthday, Lola.
David mo. Happy birthday to you. Boss, ano sasabihin mo kay Mami? Love you! Dali! Galing pala ni Harvey.
Ayan, so may request one shot naman po kasama po lahat po ng anak ni Mami Yaya.
Ay, ganun pala ito.
Ayan, sige, mga anak po.
Ate, ha?
Sabihin ko yung bakit ka. Kaya ako na.
Tara.
She is Giant Pizza. Yan.
Wow.
Alright, so our Shakey's Giant Pizza is our 400 inches diameter pizza and capture number 4 best flavors. Shakey's Special, Manager's Choice, Hawaiian Delight, and Pepperoni. Yan po yung pa-birthday namin para po sa inyo. So, pwede po kayo mag-picture namin.
Okay, na kayo doon.
Tayo lahat. Harvey! Mauntog! Masayang masaya siya sa ano.
Picture kayo. Family. Tapos candle.
Ah, sige po. Lahat, pwede mo ba lahatan na? Ganun?
Lahat na
Lahatan na. Ah, sige.
Okay, so one shot daw po, lahat daw po, dito po sa gitna.
Picture na tayo lahat.
Lahat daw po tayo, kasama po sa gitna.
Ayun, kumakanta ko lang.
Ayun, nakakanta na. Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you!
Ayan. Ay, bakit yung zero?
Okay, ready po tayo, ready?
Meron.
Ay, yung zero din.
Wala yung zero. Meron din yung zero. Eh, lagyan mo. May baba. Eh, nawala ubos na. Oo, sige na. Kaya mo na. Asa kay ate.
Sisilihatin po yung sila sa likod.
Ay, naubos na.
Ayan, umabot na. Okay, ready po, ready. Para umabot tayo sa Lucis.
Happy birthday! Kanta na, Arby! Happy birthday! Ayun na.
Alright, okay, so before we plan our celebration po, tingnan naman natin ang message for sa ating birthday sa opportunity.
Okay na, lapit mo na lang.
Nagpapasalamat po ako sa lahat na bukas nagbigay ng oras para makarating dito. Kasama namin sa isang munting sa Dasalo. Salamat po.